my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another thrifting video. As usual, you all know I love thrifting from GIKOMBA or wherever. So I went to GIKOMBA, I think sometimes last week, that was on Thursday. I got pretty awesome things, and there were a bunch of them. So maybe the next few couple of videos or weeks, you'll be seeing a lot of thrifting videos. I hope I will be able to pull everything together. So today's specific thrifting video is on bodysuits. As you can see, I'm in one. This one is not from GIKOMBA, this is ready-made. So I want to show you what I got from GIKOMBA. It's pretty dope stuff. And you know me, when I show you what I thrift, I must show you how I style these things. Because why not? You know, why not? Like, I always like showing you, my viewers, how you'll pretty buy these things and style them. Remember, styles could be different. You'll want to wear them with different things. I literally show you what I would love to wear them with, or to pair them with. So don't get offended. If you like wearing them with different things, you can always try. You know, style is not limited. It's actually unlimited. There's and it's infinity. Style can be in very different forms. Yeah, that's about it. So without much further ado, let's get into the video. So the first piece I got is this bodysuit, and there's one thing I love about me thrifting is the fact that I get to select things that I really know that I will have to wear or I will wear. The reason why I love this bodysuit, one, it is double layered. Let me show you when I mean what double layered is. Like, it's double layered from the top to bottom. Also, it's very heavy material, and I can wear this comfortably with a strapless bra. Those people who know me, or if you've seen the previous video, I have a very big bust. So I really love things that I can wear even with a strapless bra, and I also feel comfortable and good about it. Sorry about my coffee. I hope you can see my face well. So these bodysuits, you guys, as you can see, it's good quality, and it's also very stretchy. That means like you're not even stressing when wearing it. And also even the clipping part is it has two clips, and also it is very, very comfortable. I have tried them and they are very, very comfortable to be in, and I really love these, babes. I really love this material, and I love this one. And then I also love the color. It's maroon nudish, and there is, you all know, like right now nude is the thing. Like, you have to own items that are nude, because like nude is the new monochrome. Like, if you do not have a nude item or a nude outfit, what are you doing with your life? What? Yeah, you know, and I think that is why actually when the colors search very well with me, because it is nude, it can represent a lot of items. Item number 2, another fancy color over here. If I'm not wrong, this is turquoise blue. This is actually my camera, I think, is showing it as bluish, blue, but it is turquoise blue or turquoise blue, depends on the pronunciation. The reason why I took this one, it's because of the details. Definitely, you can tell. I love anything that is detailed. You can even see from the top I'm wearing. I love details on my outfit. I'm not the kind of person who wear like plain outfits. I love detail, and if I'm in a plain outfit, I'll definitely always accentuate it with another, like a detailed item, so that it will look a bit fancy. So I really love details, you guys. So I love it, one, because of the detail. 2, it has like an inner, and it has tear, and I don't mind because ikondani, but it has like an inner bra cap or something, an inner bra, something bralette. That makes it very easy also for me to wear it, because I have a big bust. Actually, also this will fit very pretty well with my strapless bra for this top. Remember, when sometimes you're wearing these things, you don't want to wear them with strapped bras, the way like in a black bra and then in a turquoise bodysuit, so the bra straps will go showing it. it doesn't have a polished look. So that is why I went also with this, 1 for the color, 2 for the detail, and 3 for the bralette. And guys, the quality also, let me show you the stretch. See the way it stretches? This tells you even if I add weight or if I lose weight, I'll still have it and I will wear it very comfortably. Item number 3 and the last piece. The bad side about this video, it's gonna be a very short video because I just had to, I got three bodysuits, and I was very picky because I didn't want to get the normal bodysuits, the black, the white. I have a black and a red, so I wouldn't want a white bodysuit for obvious reasons. I do makeup a lot, so it will tend to get that a lot. So the third piece I got is this gray. I hope it looks, it's more of gray than white, it's not white. If my camera is showing white, please, it's gray. And one, I loved it because it's a stretchy material, a very stretchy one. Also, it's a very heavy material, very heavy, and it is a normal one. It is a normal, just like a normal bodycon, but I went for this because it's more of a nude color than a plain color. Also, gray could be worn with a lot of things or with anything. You could do them with black pants, red pants, maroon pants, yellow pants, gray on gray pants to have a neutral look. Like, can be worn with a lot of things. So guys, see the stretch? See that? Also it's clippable 2 times. Just like the other two, they are clippable 2 times. I hate bodycons that clip bottom 3. They are 3 with 3 clips. They really make me uncomfortable. So I love when they are 2. So actually I hope, like, really, and so it was a good fit for me, a good bargain for me. All these pieces were for 170 Kenya shillings for 3 a piece, and I got 3 pieces. I was really happy with everything I got. You know I'm the queen of the plug. If you want to see more videos on thrifting, home styling, home cleaning, I'm just trying actually anything right now. So that is what I got for this time round. I got 3 pieces for 170 each. They were really bargains. I felt like it was a good bargain for me because when you walk to Nairobi streets, bodycon are probably between 300 to 400. And remember, I bought these pieces while I was shopping with other pieces. The secret to GIKOMBA is you buying bulk things or a lot of things that go. That way you get a good bargain. 1, 2, you save time and you save cost. That is fair to and from, and your energy and your time. Also guys, I want to do a video on, someone asked me in my previous thrifting video how I like the tips or the tricks that one does, or how would you maneuver around GIKOMBA and what time is best for you. So I'm planning to do a video to tell you the tips you should know, so that like GIKOMBA works for you. Thrifting is not a simple job, guys, but when you get used to it, you can really believe me that it is so awesome. Sometimes you walk by the street and boutiques and you're wondering, do I really need to spend 2,000 on a dress? And for this 2,000, pardon me, for this 2,000 I'll get like equally 3 or 4 or 5 dresses from GIKOMBA. So I want to do a video. You can comment down below, tell me if you'd like to see that video. I want to do a video to tell you on tips and tricks on how to maneuver GIKOMBA and how to thrift, what time is best for you, what day is best for you. Over the years I've learned some of these things, and also you need to know like what areas you go for what, and which are the cheapest times to also visit GIKOMBA, because some people will tell you to rauka and go at around 5-6, and yet watu wa biashara wa Kanairo wa kamera wanamkianga 6. So nini wengine wango za 200 na 300, you have to wait for them to select. People never tell you these things, but I'm willing to share that information with you. Comment down below on this video, tell me if you want to see that video. Remember to subscribe with the notification bell, leave a comment, tell your girl what kind of content you like to see me putting out there. Thank you so much for being here. It was a nice time with you guys. Thank you so much. Remember to be here. I'm trying to work on my schedule to be uploading every Wednesday on Saturday. I'm hoping by next week I'll go back on track to be uploading my videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Some of my videos are getting traction and I'm getting so happy about it, because your girl is about all getting monetized. That is what we are working towards. So thank you so much for being here, and until next time, bye.